In this video, we'll be discussing about rank correlation and we'll be solving a question based on rank correlation. So firstly, understanding the definition of rank correlation in respect of ranks of two characteristics of an individual or an observation is called the rank correlation coefficient. It is denoted by rho, and the formula of rank correlation is as follows: 1 minus 6 summation d square by n into n square minus 1. So here d is equal to x minus y. Looking at the question given below, this rank correlation is also called as Spearman's rank correlation. Okay, rank correlation coefficient. Okay. Looking at the question given below, scores of 9 students in physics and maths are given. Yes, they are given. So compute ranks of students in two subjects and also compute Spearman rank correlation coefficient. Yes. So firstly, writing the formula, that is rho is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square by n into n square minus 1. So this is our formula. So now let's compute a table with all the following data. So first x, let us consider physics as x and maths as y for easy computation. Okay, so x, here are x, y, and here are y, and d, and here d square. Okay, I'll explain. First, write all the values of p here in the same order: 35, 23, 47, 17, 10, 43, 9, 6, 28. So now looking at the values or the marks obtained by students in physics, you have to allot rank to each and every value here. So the highest rank would be the least rank would be for the highest marks obtained, that is for 1. For 47 we'll give it as 1, followed by that for 43 we'll give 2, then here 3, then for 28 it is 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, and 9. So these are the ranks of physics. Similarly, for the ranks of maths, you write the ranks as it is: 30, 33, 45, 23, 8, 49, 12, 4, 31. And similarly, you allocate rank to each and every value, that is, I am writing directly 1, 7, 9, 4. Yes. So for d value, we know that it is x minus y. Do remember that d is the difference of ranks of x and y. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2, 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 0, 0. So now computing d square value, that you will get it as 4, 4, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So adding all these, you'll get it as 12. So substituting the d square value here, rho is equal to 1 minus 6, 12 by n value is 9. So 9 into 9 square minus 1. If you solve, you will get it as 0.9. So I hope you have understood how to solve this question. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comments, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.